Today, I'm going to show you how to build videos for a high-retention, faceless YouTube channel from scratch. I'm going to show you how you can build your own reoccurring cartoon IP, build a cinematic storyboard, and scale it for passive income. I'm going to show you the output in just a second. Honestly, it's like having an entire Hollywood animation studio, but just in your browser. If you can talk, you can animate. So I have a newborn daughter on the way, and I want to teach her about cutting-edge technology before she can even walk. So I want to build an animated show called Teaching Babies. So let me show you episode 1, Teaching Babies about AI.
Hello, baby. Hello, AI.
AI is a helper. AI loves to learn.
Look, AI sees a shape. Is it a ball?
As always, I will have a link in the description below, but it is OiiOii AI. Let's get logged in and get started. And this isn't just another generic AI slideshow tool. It's a legitimate multi-agent engine that can build complete movies. You can make a faceless education video. Maybe you want to make an explainer channel. All these different types of channels are pulling in millions of views and making very good money on YouTube and TikTok. And you don't have to really do much. It is all done for you on OiiOii. Just think about it. Parents want their kids to learn, adults want to learn and grow, and you want to build an audience. But the traditional animation pipeline is, well, dead. It's too slow, expensive, and hard. When you are signed in, you're going to get your traditional box here, and I've done in-depth videos about how to use this tool in the past, but you can see you can add a script. We can choose a number of different styles. There are so many to pick from, or you can even add your own styles if you want. And then we have like a whole custom canvas. Honestly, you just type in the prompt that you want and it will start building the story out for you. So here I have the series of Teaching Babies different things. So Teaching Babies AI is episode 1. Then we want to move on to episode 2 where it's Teaching Babies about machine learning. So I actually want to take you through the chat and the general flow of everything because like I said, it is extremely easy. I have no skills and if I can do it, you can do it. I started off with a prompt. Teaching Babies AI is a bed story geared towards, well, toddler level. And then I added in this PDF here. And this is just a little script of all the different pages for a book idea that I had about teaching babies about artificial intelligence. So you can see I gave it a script and I just gave in this little prompt and then I picked the style. So I picked the web comic style and that is all I did. From there, we had the art director come in and it activated a whole workflow and then it gave me some options. So do we want a short animation, something long, and then we can choose the exact aspect ratio. So do we want to post it on like TikTok, Instagram, Reels, YouTube Shorts, or do we want just regular YouTube? And then we can choose our dialogue language and we can hit confirm. So I didn't really type in anything. I just picked the options. And if you scroll down, it invites, OiiOii invites all these different directors and different agents into the chat. So you don't have to do anything, but the art director comes in, they plan, and then they invite the character designer. The character designer is going through and they're making it all happen. And then you can actually see here, we have our characters. So we have our baby and our star, and they're actually like really cool the way they look. And what's really neat is everything is consistent. So all the characters and everything like that is consistent throughout. So there's our star and you can see it with like the robotic hands. And if we go over, you can see the character reference of our Starbot. It's called the Starbot. And if we go right, you can actually see we now have our baby and you can actually see it has like a little color palette. It is really cool what it's able to generate. So it makes the characters for us. And then it goes and asks if we're satisfied with the results. Honestly, the entire flow is really simple. I didn't use any crazy complex prompt engineering. You don't have to like worry about the tech. You just tell it, hey, this is the story I want, and it'll bring that story to life. So a simple idea becomes an entire scene. And to be clear, everything you're seeing here along the way, when I added my prompt, so you can see the environment designer going through, when I added my prompt, and when I say prompt, when I just basically say, yes, please continue, I'm satisfied with the results, at that point in time, it asked me, hey, do you want to make any adjustments? So there is an automatic mode where it's going to like generate stuff for you, but I can also go through and you can see I can actually click edit and replace, I can regenerate, I can add text, I can always make adjustments along the way. So you can go smart with like really instant and beautiful results, but you can also switch to manual mode and take over over and make adjustments. And then you get to the video models where you can choose Sora 2, and they also have the new Dance 2.0. Now, the results for a single video are very good, and you can see, hey, we have a story. The biggest failure on other tools I've used is character consistency and bring those characters to another episode. But there is a scene designer agent which creates a whole storyboard. You can carry your characters from one story to the next. And honestly, all I did to make my second episode, I just went in the chat and I said, hey, can I use the same characters, the baby and the star, but instead of teaching about AI, I want to teach about machine learning. So it goes through this same exact process and it says, hey, we have the photos already of these characters. Can we just work off of them? And I said, yeah, let's do it. You don't have to do anything with character design. Keep the characters and image descriptions unchanged. And it's going to go through a very similar process where it's going to ask us about video models and eventually generate an output for us, where now we have our first episode teaching babies about AI and then a second episode teaching babies about machine learning. I feel like I'd be doing you a disservice if I didn't briefly talk about Canvas, which is this whole right side. So on the left, you have this chat and you're just using natural language. Again, no prompts. It just kind of works. On the right, we have the Canvas. So you can see overview gives us everything that we've generated as we're making stuff, as OiiOii and the agents and all of the agents built in go through and make stuff like the scriptwriter makes the script. You're going to see the screen fill up and you can quickly jump from like script to roll to maybe you want to see the scenes, the storyboard to the final video. So it is a really cool user interface that you can just quickly jump around to make your videos. And then along the bottom, you can also add frames, you can upload stuff, you can even go manual and you can like generate all sorts of different things, images, videos. You can add all the different art styles that I was talking about before and even like additional characters, scenes, and then just link it all. So ultimately in the end, you can use the same characters over and over. You can even download them and upload them to like a whole new chat with OiiOii and say, hey, I want to build a story based off these characters about this topic. And you can build a repeating story with similar characters, creating an entire series of videos. OiiOii is the ultimate IP engine. You're not making disposable clips. You're building reoccurring character intellectual property. And that character is going to make people want to subscribe because they're going to see that character over and over. You're going to be able to sell merchandise and people are going to want to watch the story of your character. So in this example, my character was just a baby and a star, and the star's teaching the baby about many different technology-based topics. But you can take that to the next level. You can have like a little sitcom and you can just carry the concepts and the characters through from one episode to the next. It is wild because a one-person team can now produce a full cartoon series in just a single afternoon. You can generate enough content to fill an entire TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube really quickly. Now, if you're going to sign up and give it a try, you get 100 credits just for free, just by signing up. But if you click my link in the description below or in the pinned comment, you will get 200 credits immediately to give this a try. Plus, if you subscribe to any of the plans using my link, you're going to get a bonus anywhere between 40 and 4,000 extra credits. So the tools are here. You have access to free credits to give it a try. And there is an entire world out there. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, the market is open. People want content. So stop consuming yourself and start creating. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. I love OiiOii. It's a tool that I personally have been using a lot, and I've been generating all sorts of content with it. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video. It tells the algorithm you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more of it. Don't forget to subscribe. It's completely free, so you can stay up to date with the latest and greatest of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.
Right there, AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free. Just come and see at FranklinAI.com, where you're meant to be.